How to fix there was a problem with the server 400 error on YouTube. So if you want to fix this problem, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you just need to simply go with the apps. Under apps, you need to go for see all apps and scroll down and find YouTube application. Tap on YouTube and scroll down again and go with storage and cache. And under storage and cache, you just need to simply go with clear cache and you can clear your app data. Once you've cleared, now your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Play Store and go with the search, and under search, you just need to simply search for YouTube. And once you search, now here, if you have any updates instead of this open button, then you just need to simply go with update and update your application. Once you update it, your problem will be fixed. And once you've done all of these, you just need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix there was a problem with the server 400 error on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.